In today's video, I'm going to teach you Jira Roadmaps Demystified. Jira Roadmaps are built in planning tools that help you see the bigger picture of your work. Instead of looking at individual issues one by one, a roadmap gives you a visual timeline of major initiatives, features, and tasks across weeks, months, or even quarters. It's a great way to organize work, communicate direction, and help your team stay aligned. To get started, go to your Jira dashboard. Once you are there, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Plan section. This is where Jira keeps its roadmap planning views. Move your cursor over Plans and then click the plus icon to create a new plan. This is how you begin building a new roadmap. Next, enter a specific and meaningful name for the plan. Choose something easy to recognize, especially if you expect to create multiple plans over time. A clear name makes it much easier to find the right roadmap later and helps others understand its purpose right away. After that, choose who can view or access the roadmap. This visibility setting matters because it determines who can collaborate, review progress, and stay informed from the beginning. It's a simple step, but it can make teamwork much smoother. Now select the project or board whose issues or work items will feed into the roadmap. Be careful here and make sure it matches the work you actually want to plan. The roadmap only becomes useful if it reflects the correct source of work. Once that's set, click Create. Jira will open your new plan in the Timeline view, which is your main visual planning area. This is where the roadmap starts to take shape. From here, begin adding items such as tasks, issues, initiatives, or other planning elements. Include all of the key work you want represented so the roadmap gives a complete high-level picture of your project. Then open each item individually and add relevant planning details. This extra context helps your team understand what each item is, why it matters, and how it fits into the overall plan. You can then drag and reposition items directly on the timeline. This makes it easy to align work with your intended schedule and clearly visualize when different efforts are expected to happen. At the top of the plan, you can switch between timeline, program, and calendar views. Each one helps you review the plan from a different angle, so use the view that best matches what you want to focus on. Finally, in progress tracking, color-coded progress bars on epics automatically calculate completion based on the status of your team's child issues. That gives you a quick and helpful view of how work is advancing without needing to check every issue manually. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.